Back again with another video. So we got this door that is a little rustier. And you can kind of get it in there, but it takes a while. This one, you know, you can get it in there, but it's kind of rough, you know. Just takes it takes forever to deal with, right? But I'm gonna spray a little WD-40 on there. Let that kind of sit in for a second. Oh, look at that. Just like nothing, right? Fixed up. WD-40 fixes anything, pretty much. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.